mostly at the legs. So we have hips, we have our knees, we have our feet, and we would like all of this to work in harmony when we move. But today I would like to focus on the knee action mainly. So I strongly recommend always practicing Rumba walks, because Rumba walks, it's the same as a cha-cha walks, and cha-cha walks will help you to do samba walks and jive walks. So if you understand the idea how to move in Rumba walk, so it's gonna open door for many other dances. So let's take a look at the knee. So very often when I train my students, I tell them to straight the leg, straight the leg. But when they straight the leg, very often we forget to bend the leg. So today I would like more attention, pay attention to the bending of the leg. So if we get here into our neutral position, this, and we will create this triangle. As you know, we always want to have this triangle. Now pay attention how this leg travels forward. So if we're not going to talk about body action at this point, just only focusing on the knee. So your knee from this triangle has to travel somewhere here to 90 degree position before it started straightening, and then you have a ball heel landing. Okay, so from here, our knee maximum bend traveling to 90 degree position and only then straightening. And then as we proceed forward, we use the back leg and foot to finish our step as our spine travels. Now, at this point, somewhere here, we have a situation where we have two straight knees. So this is where the dancing is happening. This is where you're maneuvering your body weight to complete your step using body action, using flexibility. And it's all happening on two straight legs. But what happens after here? After here, as your spine gets over the leg, you release your hip as a pendulum, and